How's everybody doing? I want to show you something for the pool that you may or may not wish you knew about, or you may wanted to know about it, but it might be too late. In my in-ground pool, one of the screw tabs for the light broke out of the niche years ago. I don't know when or how or what. It was before I owned the house. And now that the pool's being refinished, I have new lights going in there, and then the pool people told me, hey, you're missing this screw tab. And they were going to use a wedge, but my lights are actually LED and they're flat, so there's nothing to wedge onto. So I was looking around for some product that might actually be able to help me. And I found this product. It's called a light adapter. I'm going to let you look at the label here. I got the part number. It's made in China, made by a company called CMP, and it says it's stainless steel. Now let's take a look at what this really is. Now, this is a steel ring, and I'm holding it wrong. This is a steel ring. It's going to insert into the niche, okay? And then you have a tab. You'll have a tab here for your screw hole, and a tab here to stop things from, going into the pool. I mean, the pool light will hook onto that. Now, around this niche repair kit, there are 3 little tabs and a ground. But I'm not going to need the ground because my niche is already grounded. So in this case here, I want you to take a look. What will happen is you will actually use an Allen wrench and extend these so it bites into the existing niche, okay? And you have quite a ways to go. So those will bite into the existing niche. And you do that in 3 places. Now I just went out and did a test fit on this, and it looks like it's just going to fit, all right? Except my bottom tab is in the way. I have no top tab in my niche, but the bottom tab is in the way. So I'm going to have to get a screwdriver and a hammer and pop the spot weld off of that, and then I'll get this installed. Now, I don't know if my light is going to fit through here. It may or may not. I don't really know yet. But if it does, fine. If it doesn't, I can take the plug off the back of the light, pass the wire through, and attach the light again to it because it's with an O-ring. But anyway, I thought this was a pretty cool product that I found. I wanted to share it with you, and I think it's going to help a lot of people out there in the same situation, all right? Not that this will last forever, but it's going to fix my problem for now. This is the installation instructions if you want to pause the video and take a look at it. Okay, and that's how it kind of goes. I don't know why it's showing figure 1 here for a reason. Maybe if you have to unscrew that and take it apart so it expands a little bit bigger. I'm not sure. It says ring opening. Right here, ring opening. And your 3 anchor screws. It says adjust the depth of the ring inside the niche to make sure both the bolt hole and the notch are flush with the edge of the plaster. Okay. Well, we can do that after it's plastered, but I can get this installed now. Using the Allen wrench provided, which there is none, and I have others, adjust those, attach grounding wire, reinstall light. But anyway, that's the options that you have if you have the same situation that I do. There'll be a link in the description of that. I appreciate you watching. And go grab yourself one of them because it's going to be a lifesaver when you actually need it. Take care. I want to show you my pool niche. Notice the top. The screw there is missing. It's been the screw tab has been busted off long ago and it's just missing. So I kind of bought something to remedy it. And I bought this, what they call a repair ring. Okay. It's going to mount inside here. All right, it's going to mount inside here. Obviously, my wire's in the way right now, but it's going to mount inside there and fix my problem. I'm going to have to take off that bottom tab that's sticking out there, and then get this installed and pushed in. So that's going to be my project. Now, what you see here, once you put it in, these little tips will screw into the existing niche, holding this tight in place. And that way you can mount your new light just like you would any other light. So that's my repair. I'm going to have to take my light off and get that installed and fixed, but I'll keep you in the loop, and I just wanted to share with you this product. It's called an in-ground light adapter. There's a part number and everything if you want to look it up. There'll be a link in the description for it. So again, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Take care.